Postal workers are getting a new set of wheels. The USPS has announced a new design for its delivery trucks. They have a lower engine compartment, taller windshields, backup cameras, and blind spot detectors. They also have airbags and air conditioning, which the current trucks do not have. The trucks will phase out the older models starting in 2023. How do the current trucks not have air conditioning?
I was wondering the same thing. Those poor drivers.
That's terrible.
I'm glad they're getting this.
It's about time.